How to make your smartphone last longer. A few simple tips. Let's face it, we're all glued to our phones. Whether it's scrolling through Instagram, catching up on emails, or binge-watching Netflix. But if you've ever felt like your phone is slowing down or just doesn't last as long as you hoped, you're not alone. Most smartphones are designed to last for about 2 to 3 years, but with a little TLC, you can stretch that out to 5, 6, or even more. On the flip side, some of us might see our devices start dying after just 15 to 18 months. And that's usually because of how we use them, or let's be honest, abuse them. But here's the thing, your phone doesn't have to be a disposable product. Let's talk about how you can make sure your phone lasts longer, keeps running smoothly, and even helps the planet. 1. Prioritize battery health. Stop charging like a maniac. Battery life is the #1 thing that determines how long your phone stays in top shape. And yes, we've all been guilty of charging our phones to 100% every single time. But guess what? Charging to 100% all the time can actually damage your battery in the long run. Experts suggest charging between 20% and 80% to keep that battery in check. So, if you want your phone to last longer, make it a habit to charge only when it's necessary and try using battery optimization settings on both iPhones and most Androids. Also, extreme temperatures are your battery's worst enemy. If you live in places like Arizona or Florida where temperatures soar to 100 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer, be mindful of where you leave your phone. Hot environments can fry your battery, making it die quicker. Keep your phone in a cool place and avoid leaving it in the sun. Pro tip: don't leave your phone in your car. 2. Smart storage. Don't overload it. If you're the type who downloads everything, music, videos, games, you name it, your phone's performance can take a serious hit. Low storage means your phone's processor has to work harder, which can slow it down over time. So, think about streaming media instead of downloading. Clean up your storage every few weeks, deleting apps you don't use, and back up your photos and videos to cloud storage. Hello, Google Photos. A cluttered phone equals a stressed-out phone. 3. Keep your software updated. It's not just about new features. Yes, those annoying software update notifications might seem like a hassle, but they're necessary. Not just to give you new emojis or features, but because updates often include important security patches and performance improvements. For iPhone users, updates roll out every 4 to 6 weeks, while Android phones get monthly security patches. So next time you get that Update Now pop-up, take a minute and do it. It's like giving your phone a nice little spa day. 4. Clean your phone. You'd be surprised. We all know phones are magnets for germs, but did you know they can also collect dust and grime that affects performance? A dirty charging port or speaker can cause issues, and a cracked screen is just waiting to shatter at the worst possible moment. Here's the secret. Use a microfiber cloth and some alcohol wipes to keep your phone looking sharp. Don't forget to clean out that charging port with a toothpick gently. Regular cleanings not only help with functionality, but keep you from spreading germs everywhere. Yikes. 5. Protect it like a baby. The case and screen protector debate. We get it. The sleek design of the latest iPhone or Samsung is tempting, but accidents happen. Even if your phone is water-resistant, it's still a good idea to protect it with a case and a screen protector. Trust us, those $20 investments will save you from dropping $200 plus on a repair. And don't just toss your phone on any surface. Avoid placing it face down on rough surfaces or near sharp objects that could scratch that pretty camera lens. 6. Eco-friendly tip: save the planet one phone at a time. Now, this is important. Did you know that 5.3 billion phones were tossed into landfills in 2022 alone? If you stacked all those phones, they'd reach 50,000 kilometers, which is almost 120 times the height of the International Space Station. That's a massive environmental issue, folks. So, recycle your phone properly when it's time for an upgrade. Don't just toss it in the trash. Find a certified recycling center or donate it if it still works. We're all in this together. Wrap up. Make your phone last longer. By following these simple tips, smart charging habits, keeping your storage clear, staying on top of software updates, and protecting your phone from harm, you can significantly extend the life of your smartphone. And hey, not only will it save you money, but it'll help reduce e-waste, which is a win for both your wallet and the environment. So, if you're serious about keeping your phone for years to come, start implementing these steps today. And if you have any other tricks to make your phone last longer, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to get the most out of your tech. Stay tuned for more videos and remember, treat your phone like a long-term partner, not a one-night stand.